If you would like to look fresh and glowy every day, then keep on watching. So having a good skincare foundation is essential, especially when you wear makeup every day. So dapat yung skincare products mo, hindi lang siya dapat yung kasundo lang ng balat mo. It should also be sustainable. So having said all that, let me introduce you to my new discovery. So this is VGO Brightening Moisturizer. I hope you can see it. Okay, so here we go. It's VGO Brightening Moisturizer, and as you can see, it says here that it contains niacinamide and ascorbic acid. So we all know that niacinamide is for radiant glow, and then ascorbic acid naman, this is for brightening our skin. But not only does it contain niacinamide, it also says here that it has 5 times ng ceramide. Yeah. So ang ceramide naman, this acts as a skin barrier. So compatible siya sa mga majority ng mga skincare ingredients. So ini-enhance niya pa yung effectiveness ng mga other skincare ingredients. Okay, so let me open this up for you. Ayan. Okay. So as you can see pa lang from the consistency that this is very moisturizing. So it feels cool sa ating face when we apply it. It glides smoothly. So imagine putting this on your face. Sobrang ganda ng consistency niya. So as you can see, this hand is medyo dry. And then when I apply it on the entirety of my hands, mino-moisturize na talaga. So this is the consistency and this is the effect that you will see on your face. So imagine putting this in your face. So as you can see right now, it looks sobrang basa. So from there talaga makita mo na sobrang siya, moisturizing siya. I'll compare both of my hands. So this is with the product and this is without. Diba? And then ang finish nito, it's just really very lightweight. Mabilis siyang ma-absorb ng balat. So parang wala kang nilagay. Ganda rin siyang primer sa makeup. So right now, before I actually applied my makeup, I used this as my primer. And this is only for 399 pesos. And you will already get 50 grams na of this product. So sobrang sulit siya. Sobrang great deal talaga siya. And yung amoy niya is medyo minty. Minty, so parang spa sa face. So I actually really want to gatekeep this sana para hindi ako maubusan. Pero of course, sharing is caring. So if you would like to experience itong amazing na moisturizer na to, just click on my yellow basket below to get yours now. So if you have questions about this product or any questions about skincare, so just comment down below. And I would like to thank you guys for watching. Bye!